Music may not be the fruit of love, but it certainly is the fruit of anonymous sex in hotel swim.
play Southern harmonica. Let's do this. It always hurts a little when I try to put it in. This is K Rose. Don't do that creative plastic surgery on your nose. Stick to the boobies, baby.
Watch the lightning when it lights up the sky. You know it makes me feel good. Well, I love a rainy night, such a beautiful sight. I love to feel the rain on my face, taste the rain on my lips. In the moonlight shadows, showers wash all my cares away. I wake up to a sunny day, 'cause I love a rainy night. Yeah, I love a rainy night. Well, I love a rainy night. Well, I love a rainy night. Ooh, ooh. I love a rainy night. I love a rainy night. I love to hear thunder, watch the lightning when it lights up the sky. You know it makes me feel good. Well, I love a rainy night, such a beautiful sight. I love to feel the rain on my face, taste the rain on my lips. In the moonlight shadows, put a song in this heart of mine, put a smile on my face every time, 'cause I love a rainy night. Yeah, I love a rainy night. Oh, I love a rainy night. Yeah, I love a rainy night. Ooh, ooh. Showers wash all my cares away. I wake up to a sunny day, 'cause I love a rainy night. Yeah, I love a rainy night. Well, I love a rainy night. I love a rainy night. Well, I love a rainy night. You see it in my eyes. Yeah, I love a rainy night. But it makes me high.
You know, I can play a harmonica and sing at the same time. Watch. I just put the harmonica down my pants. Woo-hoo! I'm just a cowgirl. Ain't that a great talent? I learned that one in the joint. This one goes out to my dog. His name is El Bueno Enchilada. I saved him from a Mexican restaurant. You hear that? It's a song about drinking and feeling miserable. You see, men have morning sickness too. Morning after you tell them you're pregnant.
You think you're American, but do you drink American?
Lager, the beer that brought the forest down.
I like to relax after a hard day at work, and I like to relax hard, get really drunk. So drunk, you can't tell your sister from your wife. Now that's fun. And now I can do it without gaining pounds, thanks to new Lager Lights. Drink even more, gain less. It's the Lager Light promise. At first, the guys were like, I didn't know you drank light beer. Are you gonna start wearing dresses and drinking wine coolers too? Well, then I explained it facilitated alcoholism without the attendant weight gain, and they really switched. Now we're all